This is the one. Don't distract me, Mikhail.
What's the difference
I'm so
between
bad
a
at typing. I'm so bad at typing, okay?
Hey, go. What's the difference between a dog and a mansion?
Uh, uh, oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god, I'm illiterate. I'm illiterate. I'm illiterate. I'm illiterate. Oh, where is it? Where is it? Oh my eye. It's twitching. Did I do it? I'm so bad. I told you guys. Yes, I have a mechanical keyboard. 31 words per minute? How is that?
That's not bad.
Is that like good?
I don't know.
Neither do I.
I just know that I'm like probably around 30. At least I was.
Bruh, this is not real. This is not real. This is cap. This is cap. Nobody's typing at 225 words per minute. You can suck my toes, and I don't even want to hear you whine about it. But like, how do I know if I was good or not? It doesn't like tell me. Average words per minute typing. What? 50 to 80?
Damn.
Wait, what?